got that county contract. All we're doing is pumping the gas and selling the tire. Got us a lot better now.